Hey people, well, I thought I'd just show off another fan I've been meaning to video but hadn't got around to. This is yet another Kmart branded Lakewood model K-10. This is a slightly newer one than the other one I have. The difference is being which I'll show you. You can see it's that light blue color. The older one is a light aqua. Well, this is that light blue, later light blue color. And it has the later style grill badge, which is dark blue with silver lettering. Let me show you the other side. And unlike the other one, which has a Redmond motor, this one here is a Fasco motor, just like the JCPenney one I showed. And the date code on this is L74, meaning it was probably produced in November of 1974. The other one I have is from June of 1973. And just like the other one, it's single speed with this style of switch. So now I'll show it to you running. Here's on. As you can hear, the metal blade with the Fasco motor gives a rather nice start. And it runs just quite a bit together, albeit with a little bit of a cage rattle. I had to leave this part of the cage back a little bit. And that's one of the favorites. And it has pretty good coast down time, or at least rather decent. Yeah, it's pretty good. And now, guess I'll give you a close-up of that nice startup sound. And there you have it. It's my 1974 Kmart made by Lakewood model K-10, a 10-inch tilting table fan. Thank you for watching, everybody.